So let's jump it with the maximum IOPS and let's differentiate between a lot of tips here. First one we have, as we may need to mention, we have max IOPS, and also we need to differentiate between throughput. Okay. So I think if we differentiate between the scenario and the maximum IOPS and throughput will be selected the proper choice. First one for maximum IOPS, we here for ultra disk it will be 160,000. Okay. And for premium SSD it will be 20,000. And for standard SSD it will be 6,000, and for standard HDD will be 2,000. For maximum throughput will be for ultra disk will be 4,000 MB MBS 4,000 MBS, and for a premium SSD it will be a 20. No, it will be 800 MBS, and sorry, for a standard SSD will be 750 MBS, and for standards HDD will be 500 MBS. So here let's differentiate. Now we have you have your solutions said you have web applications, and this web application during your development require up to 6 IOPS. So let's see what is IOPS here. Up to, so will be this one. Let's put it green. It will be achieved. Okay, but this more and more, yeah, but let's select it here. And 750, this one, it will be the same number, but we will not select it like that because we have multiple of selected. We have during development, so this development and productions, and we have this number for IOPS, and for throughput will be 700. And also we need to minimize the cost. This will be control us. So ultra disk, as we mentioned, we're using with SAP HANA Oracle heavy workload and the maximum 160 and 4,000. So it will not be a good options here. It will be selected our exceeded our cost. And also for premium SSD it will productions, performance, and sensitive workload. But yeah, I know it's up what he needed, and also throughout its maximum to what he needed, but it also well affected our costs. So the select here between the standard SSD and the standard HDD. So we cannot use it HDD in web application, in web servers, because it will just our scenario here for it's standard HDD actually using for backup or not critical servers, so not can use it. We can use it actually, but the maximum here he said to 6,000. Sorry, 6,000. So this is not less, and also here it will not be less. So if you not control us, we can select the standard HD, no problem. But in our solution, we have to use it this one because it achieve all point. We achieve web server, light using, and you can use it for dev and testing, and also up to 6,000 for maximum IOPS, and also for throughput will be 750 MBS. So it will be a good options and will fill our requirement. I hope this situation will be useful for you. Maybe you face it in your interview, or maybe you face it in our your customer, or maybe in your environment. So you have to know which one you have to select it.